The other day, I got bored on eBay and did some shopping, and it came. Well, today actually, several months after buying it straight from China. This is one of those Turboheads that comes up in your search results every time you try and find, a replacement Turbohead for your Dyson V6 or your Max or your Miele or anything with the keyword Turbohead in the listing. So I bought one, and here it is. We have a head and a old style Dyson 232mm adapter. That will get us started. Let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? We shall put that there for obvious reasons. Yes, I don't know why I bought this. I think at the time I had a slight plan. Now it's here, I don't. This is just because I fancied one, really. What more can you ask for them? It feels very cheap. We have, I don't think I've got anything to open this. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. Look, with my scissors, we have a way to take the brush roller out. Here is the brush roller. These feel like they are not there. They are ever so soft for I don't have it with me. For comparison, the bristles on that are a lot stiffer. We have some rubber blades though, so that could make things slightly interesting. And that is, I don't even know. It's not actually powered. At either end, you can't see. I do not see any way for this to spin. I have a feeling this relies. This is a bit worse than I thought. This relies on the airflow on those plastic paddles. Oh dear, this could be a short pointless video, couldn't it? I thought it would have at least had a turbine. While using our adapter, we can fit it to the V11. Put it on. We're going to put the V11 into boost because I think we might need to. Let's see what happens. Doesn't even do that. It just moves. I mean, it feels, I can feel suction from it. It's just... Maybe it doesn't like that deep pile. Maybe let's try a slightly thinner pile. This is worse than I imagined. I wanted one with a turbine. This is all that came in the packaging. Yeah. Wow. Wow, my hunt for a decent turbo head continues. I say decent, I just wanted a toy. I wanted a toy to play with. So do not buy this. I'm going to get my money back for absolute sure, because that is just utterly terrible. Does not work. Do not buy. I thought there was going to be some sort of turbine in this, so at least it would spin, if not a bit rubbish. But hey ho. V11 working well, quite warm now. Yeah. This was a short video. Apologies for that. We won't see this pile of rubbish again. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon with something perhaps a bit less of a massive fail. I can't even spin it to death because it won't. Hang on, it won't spin from the Dyson. Okay, let's get the big guns out. Here I have my perfectly normal Henry vacuum cleaner. Ow! Really on the cord hurts. We'll take the adapter out. So obviously we can plug this straight in. It is indeed 32mm. We shall try my normal heavy vacuum cleaner out and see if we can get it to spin at all. Ready? no power. No. Crikey, if a normal 550 watt Henry can't shift it, what can? I'm just going to check because we had it out, didn't we? First thing I did was stupid. Oh no, there's a divot in this one that doesn't line up with this one. So yes, we did have it the right way. It's just trashing, isn't it? I'm not even angry. I should have known better. I thought, oh, that looks shiny, even if it's only a bit rubbish. You know, we could get some content out of it. But you know, the V11 in its pretends to be a full-size vacuum cleaner mode can't shift it. The Henry in its unofficial hacked power mode can't shift it. There's just no chance. I mean, maybe it's even going to be a nice normal head. I mean, Henry's on low. Ew. It's just a bit rubbish. Hey ho. So, yeah, there we go. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. I and Henry and the Dyson will see you soon, but this turbo tool, no flipping way. Bye bye.